I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. Religion should not be allowed to come into politics. Religion is merely a matter between man and God. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. There are two powers in the world, one is the sword, and the other is the pen. There is great competition between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the women. Think well before selecting your leader, and when you have selected him, follow him. But in case you find his policy detrimental to your interests, kick him out. Corruption and bribery are like poison and a horrible disease, which needs to be put down with an iron hand. We are starting in the days where there is no discrimination, no distinction between one community and another, no discrimination between one caste or creed and another. We are starting with this fundamental principle, that we are all citizens, and equal citizens, of one state. It is only with united effort and faith in our destiny that we shall be able to translate the Pakistan of our dreams into reality. I have full faith in my people that they will rise to every occasion worthy of our past Islamic history, glory, and traditions. You will have to make up for the smallness of your size by your courage and selfless devotion to duty, for it is not the life that matters, but the courage, fortitude, and determination you bring to it. Nations who love and sacrifice for their countries, find the honorable place in history. Do not forget that the armed forces are the servants of the people. You do not make national policy, it is we, the civilians, who decide these issues, and it is your duty to carry out these tasks with which you are entrusted. I insist you strive. Work and only work for satisfaction with patience, humbleness, and serve thy nation. Failure is a word unknown to me. You will have to make up for the smallness of your size by your courage and selfless devotion to duty, for it is not the life that matters, but the courage, fortitude, and determination you bring to it. I have lived as plain Mr. Jinnah, and I hope to die as plain Mr. Jinnah. I am very much averse to any title or honors, and I will be more than happy if there was no prefix to my name.